So we're going to look at solids. We're going to look at solids and some prisms to start with. And the prism I'm interested in is the cube. So now I've got my cube, and I can spin my cube round on my iPad, make it bigger if I want, and I can look at it from different sides. Now I might want to perhaps colour the different sides. I want to colour the opposite sides. And then I might change this one to blue and this one to blue. I might make it a bit smaller. I might spin it round and check that I've made all the opposite sides the same colour. I seem to be able to do that. Make it a bit larger. I might want to highlight the edges and count up the number of edges there are on my cube. I might want to look at how many places the edges join. You might notice that there are 8 at the top and there's 8 at the bottom. But I might want to know, well, how do I make a cube? How a box is made? So I can show you that by taking this and opening out the cube into its net form. So we've got this T-shape, and that T-shape, if we cut that out of card and we make the folds where you can see the yellow lines, then I can make my box like so. And we can see that the opposite sides are still the same colour. And interesting, if we open out, we can see that the opposite sides have a square in between them. So the two blue sides have this green in between them, the greens have the orange, and the orange have the greens. Now that's not the only net that will make a cube. Cuboid, should I say. So I can choose any one of these. This is an interesting one to look at. And again, I might quickly want to colour my sides. This time I might colour them in to see whether I get the... now, will that work? Have I got it right? I think I haven't. I think we want... let's start again. I think we want... Right, so it's quite a test really for me to think, well, which sides will be the same. Now I think it will be these two, and I think that the blue and green is going to have to swap round. So let me put my green there, and let me put my blue there, and then I can put it together, bring it together, and see if I was successful. So I've got green on the top, green on the bottom, I've got blue on the sides, and I've got orange now on the top and the bottom. So that's me using an iPad app to show you a lot of things about the cuboid in a way that I couldn't possibly show you using older technology. So come back then to the mathematical point. Students have to know how to draw nets of solids. So with this app they can see that this particular net, I'll rotate it, okay, this particular net will give a solid. Now a question they might face is, does it choose from a series of nets which ones would make the cube? And we can see in fact that there are in fact 11 different nets that will make a cube. So you could have quite a bit of fun really with this, and then again without changing the colours I can just see that that net gives me my cube. So there we are, the remarkable iPad helping children learn about three-dimensional solids.